Welcome in this English question answer session. Now it belongs to your English textbook of standard 9, lesson 7 named packing. Answer the following questions. For your sake of simplicity, answer has been written in blue color while question in red one. Just watch and note it down accordingly. Question A1. How many characters are there in the narrative? Name them. Answer. There are 4 characters in it. They are George, Harris, author, and the dog Montmorency. Question is 2. Why did the narrator Jerome volunteer to do the packing? Answer. The author and his friends planned for a trip. He said that he would pack for the trip because he thought that he was an expert in packing. He did not consider anyone equal to him in the skill of packing. He was proud of it. Now come to question number A third. How did George and Harris react to this? Did Jerome like their reaction? Answer. The author impressed upon his friends that he was a better packer than them. They fell into the suggestion. George put on a pipe, spreading himself over the easy chair, and Harris cocked his legs on the chair and lit a cigar. Now come to question A4. What was Jerome's real intention when he offered to pack? Answer. The author thought himself to be an expert in packing. He said that he would pack for the trip. His real intention was that he wanted his friends to do unimportant things under his direction. Actually, he wanted to boss the job. Question A5. Why did Harry say after the bag was shut and strapped? Why do you think he waited till then to ask? Answer. Harris asked about the boots after the bag had been shut and strapped. The author had forgotten them to put in the bag. Harris waited for it because he wanted to laugh at the author. Question A6. What horrible idea occurred to Jerome a little later? Answer. He had forgotten to put the boots in the bag. He opened it again and put them into it. When he was going to close the bag again, then it occurred to him that he had forgotten to put his toothbrush into the bag. Now come to question number 7, that is question number A7. Where did Jerome finally find the toothbrush? Answer: he found it in one of the boots which he had packed in the bag. Question is 8. Why did Jerome have to reopen the packed bag? Answer: he had to reopen the bag because he had packed his tobacco pouch in it. Question A9. What did George and Harris offer to pack and why? Answer: Jerome had reopened the bag to take out his tobacco pouch. Then Harris and George offered to pack the hampers. They did so because Jerome was tired of packing and they wanted to show him how to pack the hamper. In next class, you will come to know the answer of more questions belonging to this very chapter. Now note it down and get checked. Thanks for watching.